Good morning, students. We are learning in the same chapter 6 respiration 6.4 exchange of gases. Already you know that what are the gases exchanges enter between the atmosphere and the lungs to blood, blood to cells, and return back way to the same, that is expiration, inspiration, and expiration. So already we discussed in the mechanism of the respiration. So now we can discuss in the exchange of gases in the alveolus and the tissues, alveolus and the blood, and blood to tissues of the cells, and this is way of the air flowing, that is we are named as exchange of gases. Okay va, alveoli and the blood to tissues. So first, the primary site for the exchange of gases is the alveoli. This is the one word, primary, which is the primary site for exchanging gases in the human beings alveoli. So the uptake of oxygen and the release of carbon dioxide occur between the blood and tissues by simple diffusion driven by partial pressure gradient of oxygen and carbon dioxide. This is very important. ஸோ ஆக்சிஜனை வாங்கினதுக்கு அப்புறமா அண்ட் கார்பன் டை ஆக்சைடு அப்டேக் பண்ணும்போதே ரிலீஸ் ஆகும். சைமல்டேனியஸ்லி டேக்ஸ் பிளேஸ் அப்டேக் அண்ட் ரிலீஸ். ஓகே, ஸோ திஸ் exchange happening in the alveoli, that is respiratory surface between the blood and the tissues. So the first step takes place in the alveoli, that is inspiration. Okay va? And the second step in the external respiration, lungs to blood. And the third one, gases transport in the blood, transport into the blood. This stage is gases transport stage. And the fourth one, when reaching into the cells, takes place cellular respiration. Okay va? So there are enough 4 types of the events happening in the lungs region, to the blood to the tissues. So uptake of oxygen and release of carbon dioxide occur between the blood and tissues by simple diffusion. So alveolar respiratory surface to connect with the blood capillaries of the blood vessels. Okay, diffuse the blood, diffusion process, because the alveoli respiratory surface membrane has the very thin membrane and a transparent membrane, permeable membrane, so allowing gases and they expel the gases. So this process is happening in the respiratory surface, which is the process name is simple diffusion. So this is by the simple diffusion driven by partial pressure according to the partial pressure gradient of the oxygen and carbon dioxide. எந்த அளவுக்கு ஆக்சிஜன் கேஸ் கார்பன் டை ஆக்சைடு கேஸோட ப்ரெஷர் இருக்கோ அந்த அளவுக்கு தான் வந்து டிஃப்யூசன் ப்ராசஸ் ரேப்பிட்லி ஆர் ஸ்லோவ்லி ஹேப்பனிங் இன் த ரெஸ்பிரேட்டரி சர்ஃபேஸ். ஓகேவா? ஸோ த பார்ஷியல் ப்ரெஷர் இஸ் த pressure contributed by an individual gas in a mixture of gases. It is represented as partial oxygen pressure for oxygen. This is P for partial pressure. This is oxygen gas. And the carbon dioxide gas. Partial pressure of carbon dioxide gas is for carbon dioxide. Okay va? And due to this separately, oxygen, whether it is a carbon dioxide pressure gradient, according to the pressure gradients in the alveoli, enter into the blood and reaches into the tissues. Okay, carbon dioxide enter into the blood. The carbon dioxide gases enter into the blood and reaches into the tissues in the return back way. and reaches alveoli for elimination. ஸோ ஆல்வியோலையிலிருந்து திசுஸ்க்கு போனால் இட்ஸ் அ ஒன் pathway, and from the tissues to the alveoli in the return back way, this is for elimination. So as the solubility of the carbon dioxide is 20 to 25 times higher than that of the oxygen. ஆக்சிஜனை விட 20லேருந்து 25 தடவை என்ன ஆகும் அப்படின்னா கார்பன் டை ஆக்சைடோட சாலிபிலிட்டி வந்து இருக்கும். ஸோ த பார்ஷியல் ப்ரெஷர் ஆஃப் கார்பன் டை ஆக்சைடு இஸ் மச் ஹையர் தேன் தட் ஆஃப் த ஆக்சிஜன். So if it is cellular respiration or the external respiration, the partial pressure of carbon dioxide is much higher than that of the oxygen. Okay, so this is you have to observe that this is alveolar, okay, partial pressure. The partial pressure of oxygen actually 104 mmHg, and partial pressure of carbon dioxide is very less, 40 mmHg. This is alveolar, that is inter pulmonary pressure. Okay, and this pressure after reaching the blood, the pulmonary arteries, actually the alveoli enveloped pulmonary arteries, arterioles, veins. So the pulmonary arteries, partial pressure of oxygen, பல்மனரி ஆர்ட்ரி பிளட் வெசலுக்குள்ளே வந்த உடனே அங்கே ஆக்சிஜன் கேஸோட ப்ரெஷர் கிராடியன்ட் எவ்வளோ இருக்கும் அப்படின்னா 40 mmHg. பார்ஷியல் ப்ரெஷர் ஆஃப் கார்பன் டை ஆக்சைடு 45 mmHg, much higher than that of the oxygen pressure. The carbon dioxide pressure is 45 mmHg. Pulmonary veins, you have to see partial pressure of oxygen 95 mmHg, partial pressure of carbon dioxide 40 mmHg. Okay, va? So and the systemic veins, this is a systemic veins. So the systemic veins, partial pressure of oxygen 40 mmHg and partial pressure carbon dioxide gases is 45 mmHg, carrying deoxygenated blood through these veins, passing through these veins. Systemic arteries, partial pressure of oxygen 95 mmHg, partial pressure of carbon dioxide 40 mmHg. This pathway is carrying oxygenated blood. Listen it. So oxygenated blood இருந்தால் அங்கே கண்டிப்பாக oxygen gas more amount than that of the carbon dioxide gas. But in the deoxygenated blood, if it is passing through the veins, has high amount of the partial pressure of carbon dioxide gas lesser than that of the partial pressure of oxygen gas. Okay, and when reaching to the tissues, partial pressure of oxygen 40 mmHg, higher than that of the higher level of the partial pressure of carbon dioxide 45 mmHg. So this is an exchange of gases at the alveoli and the tissues with the blood and transport of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Are we clear? Next we can discuss about the respiratory pigments. So the respiratory pigments, actually there are in two type of pigments, hemoglobin and the methemoglobin. So the first one we have to see the hemoglobin. Hemoglobin belongs to the class conjugated protein. Hemoglobin என்ன இருக்குப்பா? Conjugated proteins having. Okay, so the heme and the iron, it's a two type of constitutes to form the hemoglobin. Globin is actually protein pa. Heme means iron. Okay, so the iron containing pigment portion வந்து என்ன சொல்கிறோம்? This is yellow color, you have to observe that it's a heme. Just to indicate the color only, not present in the colorல இருக்காது, iron இந்த colorல இருக்காதுப்பா, just to indicate that in the picture. So you have to see this heme, this is iron, constitutes only 4%, and the rest of the colorless protein of the histone proteins. This is a heme, this is a histone proteins. So the histone proteins, colorless protein, this is we are named as a class of globin protein, globin proteins. Hemoglobin has actually molecular weight 68 daltons. and contains 4 atoms of iron. Iron contain 4 atoms of the ions. So each of which can combine with the oxygen molecule. ஸோ ஒவ்வொரு அயானுமே பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா ஆக்சிஜன் மாலிகுலோட கம்பைன் பண்ணி ஹீமோக்ளோபின் மாலிகுலாக ஃபார்ம் ஆகிருக்கும். மெத்தமோக்ளோபின் next we can discuss if the iron component of the heme if the iron component of the heme moitus is in the ferric state than the normal ferrous state. This is called a methemoglobin. So normally the heme of the iron content is in a what state? Ferrous state. But in the methemoglobin iron group of the heme is in a what state? Ferric state. So this type of the RBC we are named as a what? Methemoglobin. So this methemoglobin does not bind the oxygen. Actually hemoglobin iron molecule bind with the oxygen. Iron molecule எதில் bind ஆயிருக்கும்? ஆக்சிஜனோட bind ஆயிருக்கும். But in the methemoglobin is globin protein molecule does not bind the oxygen. So normally RBC contains less than 1%. RBCயில் மெத்தமோக்ளோபின் எத்தனை பர்சன்டேஜ் இருக்குது? 1%. ஓகேவா? So next we have discussed about the partial pressure mmHg, respiratory gases oxygen and the carbon dioxide. So atmospheric air actually 159 approximately, alveoli reaching the air maximum level 104. Deoxygenated blood 40, oxygenated blood 95, tissues 40 mmHg. Carbon dioxide, you have to see atmospheric air 0.3, alveoli reaching the carbon dioxide gas 40, and deoxygenated blood vessels has 45 mmHg. Oxygenated blood arteries having the blood vessels are having the oxygenated blood, actually carbon dioxide gas 40 mmHg only. Tissues 45 carbon dioxide gas fill. Okay, so this is the partial pressure of oxygen and carbon dioxide in mmHg in comparison to those gases in the atmosphere. Thank you.